Today I'm going to show a video on how to clean out the filters of an LG ThinQ WashTower stack. So if your stack looks like this, there's a panel down here in the lower left hand corner. What you need to do is open up that panel. There's going to be a small hose in here with a clip. Pull that clip out. It extends out about 8 inches. You're going to want to get yourself a small reservoir. You can see I already did that here. Pull the stopper off the tube and let that drain into your reservoir. Leave the stopper off for now. Put that off to the side. Bring in a towel, preferably one you don't care about. Tuck it up underneath the LG there. And there's going to be a filter right here. Undo this filter. Turning it left. The towel's just to capture any remaining water after you've drained it. Turn that about 4 or 5 turns to the left. You pull that out and there's your washer filter. What you want to do is you want to take just a cloth or take it to the sink. Get all that gunk out of there. There's usually probably some hair, a little bit of dirty water. If it smells, you may want to call a washer repair. You may have problems with your water, but it's a good idea to do this every few months. I'd say 6 months at the latest. Once that's clean, you can insert it back into the filter housing. Righty-tighty, turn that to the right until it's tight. Put your cap back onto the hose. Make sure it's nice and secure. Push the hose back into the receptacle and clip, and you're done. Clip that back in. Your filter is now replaced.